need to take a more realistic approach.
We need to avert a street war at all costs.
I see it differently. Let them kill one another and save us the time and trouble.
Regardless of civilian casualties?
They come into our harbor, and they stole from our family.
So you're proposing that we blow up both of our operations?
No, I'm proposing that it's our job to protect the lives of innocent civilians that could get gunned down in the crossfire.
They will learn about our culture, about Daisa.
And I will point out that the mayor and the police commissioner made a pledge to the public that we do just that.
Sergeant Bell, Sergeant Brewster, that's enough. Sergeant Bell is right. We don't want an all-out war on the streets. And the two of you are going to work together to make sure that doesn't happen.
Work together how?
A joint task force.
What?
Who's in charge?
Both of you. Co-commanders.
If you are with us, you are with us.
Yes, she was in position.
Damn.
Albanians have left the building. KO is on their way.
Everybody take your places.
Hey. Vi är on lunch.
Who's Hadley?
Albie's calling it off.